Greetings from ITS Engineering College, Greater Noida, MNT Institute, supported by Ministry of Education, Innovation Center and AICTE. This is Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, coordinator of this mentor mentoring program in ITS Engineering College, Greater Noida. We are very much thankful to Ministry of Education, Innovation Center and AICTE to providing us opportunity to work as mentor institute under this mentor mentoring program. This mentor mentoring program strengthens the culture of pre-incubation, incubation, innovation, startup and entrepreneurship culture not only in campus of Mentor Institute ITS Engineering College, Greater Noida, but also in the campus of our mentor institutes. Our mentor institutes are Mangalmay Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida, Institute of Management Studies, Ghaziabad, ITS College of Pharmacy, Ghaziabad, Viswesvaraya Group of Institutions, Gautam Budh Nagar, ITS Dental College Hospital and Research Center, Greater Noida. Now, may I invite and request the coordinator of the Mentor Institute to provide a valuable feedback for this program from Mentor Institute.
My name is Dr. Udresh Pandey. I am the president of IIC at IMS Ghaziabad. I want to thank ITS for mentoring us for this year, and they have really done a tremendous job in mentoring and looking after our needs. We being a management college, but ITS had tailored the mentoring needs according to our needs. I want to especially thank the director at ITS who had given us all the support, especially Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, who had taken personal interest with us and has mentored us on the IIC need. All the activities were done on time, all the activities were done very properly, and we were given all hand-holding support and the support which was needed for our IIC. We again thank IIC ITS. Thank you very much.
Hi, very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Bhaskar Gupta, presently working as a team research and innovation at Mangalmay Institute of Engineering and Technology. And I am also looking after the institution's Innovation Council cell of MIT College. See, I am here to tell you about the Mentor-Mentee program organized by Ministry of Education Innovation Cell. Presently, we are having ITS Engineering College as our mentor, and ITS has been mentoring our college since last 1 year in the context of innovation, pre-incubation support, incubation support, lectures, and in fact different types of collaborations. ITS has organized under Mentor-Mentee program visit to their incubation center for the startup type of ecosystem. So we have been able to develop that kind of innovation ecosystem in our premises. And I am very, very thankful to Dr. Rajiv for extending his kind support to our IIC cell as far as the technology transfer is concerned, startup, is concerned, patenting and even different aspects of the intellectual property, and number of, I would say, these calendar activities have been organized under this Mentor-Mentee program by our Mentor Institute. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you IIC cell of ITS Engineering College for this kind of support. And finally, would like to thank Ministry of Education Innovation Cell. Thank you very much.
Dr. Apurva Sharma, leader in the Department of Conservative and Endodontics in ITS Dental College, today is giving a feedback for Mentor-Mentee program that is happening in our institute under the IIC. The Mentor-Mentee program under IIC is a highly valuable initiative fostering innovation and knowledge sharing among the students and professionals. The structured approach allows the mentees to benefit from the vast experience of mentors, helping them to redefine their ideas and develop a practical solution. The inclusion of incubation services and the UP program adds a very significant value, providing the participants with the necessary sources, guidelines, and the infrastructure to turn their ideas into a viable startups. The hand-holding aspect as well is particularly commendable as it ensures continuous support and mentoring throughout the entrepreneurial journey. Our mentor institute has helped us completing all the activities under IIC and MIC. Overall, the program is a well-rounded, offering a vital support that aligns with IIC's mission to nurture the innovation and entrepreneurial growth. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Dr. Priyanka Dwivedi and I am working as an assistant professor in Vishwesharaya Group of Institutions, Greater Noida. Today, I would like to share my experience as an IIC member during the current year. I appreciate the efforts of our mentor institute, ITS College, Greater Noida, who has always been a source of influence and growth in profound ways, like various MIC-driven activities as well as the calendar activities during the academic session. Not only I grew as a faculty, but also our students have learned a lot through these activities. I really acknowledge our IIC chairperson, Dr. Rajiv Ranjan sir, for his contribution towards our professional growth. He has always been a support to us and helped us to navigate through various challenges during these activities. Thank you, sir.
A very good afternoon. Here I am Dr. Manish Kumar Shakya, Professor, Department of Pharmacology in ITS College of Pharmacy, sharing my views regarding mentor-mentee scheme under MOE Innovation Cell. We have established IIC in our institute in 2022. Institution's Innovation Cell program of MIC aims at establishing IIC in higher education institutions and entrepreneurship ecosystem in HEIs. A mentor-mentee scheme in our college helps our students grow academically, professionally and personally by connecting them with a mentor institute, ITS Engineering College, Greater Noida, which providing guidance and support. The goal of mentor-mentee scheme is to help students develop their skill and build relationship with faculty, being a part of various conference, seminar, workshop, attending centered on research, incubation, innovation and entrepreneurship in pharmaceutical science have been immensely enlightening. The workshop of incubation were particularly insightful, offering practical guidance on transforming early-stage research into market-ready product. They covered critically aspects such as securing funding, navigation, intellectual property challenges and meeting regulatory requirements. Entrepreneur sessions featured inspiring success stories from startups that have effectively translated laboratory research into commercial success. Their narratives highlights the importance of supportive ecosystem, including mentorship, funding, and industry connections in nurturing innovation and bringing new treatment to market. Overall, these IC events reinforce the vital link between research, incubation, startup, innovation, entrepreneurship, and pharmaceutical sciences. They equip attending with their knowledge, skills, motivation to drive forward the field, ultimately improving healthcare outcomes and patient care. Thank you very much.